Welcome to this precision sorter cleaning tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you on best practices for deep cleaning your precision sorter. To start, please be sure to have the following tools on hand: 2 7/16 end wrenches, a 5 32nd Allen wrench, isopropyl alcohol, resin clear or other food-safe cleaning agent, soap and water, a microfiber cloth or something similar, and a non-metallic grout brush. Start by removing all access panels from the precision sorter, the front, rear, and exit. We recommend replacing the hardware into the existing holes as you go to prevent misplacing parts and to make it easier to remember what goes where. Remove the exit ramp mount. Remove the top exit safeguard. Remove the belt guide assembly. Remove the hopper mounting plate as one unit, rotate it to the side, and rest it on a clean surface. Remove the dividers. Lift the bands to prevent the tabs from catching. Clean the pulleys with a nylon grout brush, a non-metallic grout brush, or similar tool. Avoid metal brushes that could scratch the pulleys, as this will increase future buildup. Isopropyl alcohol is safe for use on the pulleys. Bands can be shifted from adjacent pulleys to allow clearance. When cleaning the bands, do not use isopropyl alcohol. It will deteriorate the band material, making them sticky, leading to cracking, and ultimately failure. GreenBroz Resin Clear is a viable agent to dissolve resin buildup. Follow this cleaning with soap and water. Running the bands only on a low speed can assist with cleaning. When cleaning the conveyor belt, isopropyl alcohol is safe for use. Use a microfiber cloth or similar material to avoid scratching the conveyor belt. Running the belt on a slow speed can assist with cleaning. Before cleaning the main spool, remove the bands from the pulleys on the exit ramp side of the sorter to decrease the tension. One set of pulleys is retained by a locking collar. Use a 5 32nd Allen wrench to loosen the collar. Individual bands can be shifted off the drive spool for cleaning. To start, remove the first band completely off the pulley, leaving the exposed channel available for cleaning. Repeat with subsequent bands until the drive spool is clean. Rotate the spool by hand for cleaning. Running the motor to rotate the spool can result in injury or damage to the equipment. Optionally, the hopper assembly can be removed by unbolting the height adjustment. The electrical box can be removed after disconnecting the yellow cables and sliding the box in an upward motion. After the electrical box has been removed, it is safe to pressure wash the sorter for cleaning if desired. If using the pressure wash method, ensure everything is dry before reassembly. Reassembly is conducted in reverse order. Place all bands on their pulleys. Reposition and tighten the locking collar with your Allen wrench. Attach the hopper height adjustment bars. Install the electrical box and connect the cable leads from the electrical box to the main body of the sorter. Cables are fitted with male and female plugs to prevent plugging into the wrong location. Assuming you followed our earlier direction and replaced the hardware into its placeholder location during disassembly, now you can remove the hardware from each hole prior to installing each component. Lift and rotate the hopper assembly into place. The brass nuts will be visible through the mounting holes to ensure proper alignment. Secure with bolts, lock washers, and washers. Install the belt guide assembly. Install the access panels. Install the top exit safeguard. Install the exit ramp mount. Install the dividers based on your preferences. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned your precision sorter and are ready to resume your post-harvest process. Please reach out to us with any further questions on how to clean your sorter or for more information on any other GreenBroz products.